station is...
Jura, France. In the valley of Moretz, Lance was born with one purpose only: creating quality glasses that would fit everyone, everywhere in the world. With over 5,000 backers in the previous campaign, we have now designed two collections, introducing two major breakthroughs in eyewear: the Lance Low Nose Bridge, a unique design that will fit all noses, and the Lance Smart Metal Bridge, a memory-shaped alloy used in the space industry. This new collection embodies the most versatile glasses that combine premium metal with high-quality Italian acetate, integrating the most advanced lens technology. We're proud to present the new Fade Fast Change technology, enabling you to have everything in only one pair: sunglasses and eyeglasses with great design. With the Sharp Lens technology, we protect your eyes from the harmful blue light wavelength. Sleep better, live better. Your eyes can finally relax and enjoy the view. Both Fade and Sharp lenses hold the most advanced nanotechnology coatings, enhancing your vision in any situation. Our journey to perfection has been challenging, teaching us that it is always found in the simplest of things. Our intuitive design and fine engineering, along with the finest materials and rigorous testings, place Lance above the ordinary. Each and every detail matters, so we've learned to perfect our design in order to create these revolutionary glasses, considering all your needs. Lance is smart and functional. All of our glasses, be it premium or acetate, are finished manually in over 60 stages, where the acetate and metal are delicately polished by our experts, making your frame unique and spectacular. With over 20 styles, Lance is the eyewear that you'll want to carry with you everywhere. They'll fit your face and nose as a perfect extension, accompanying you during your daily activities. Wearing Lance will become your desire: versatile, smart, lightweight, and trendy.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexSpot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05 millimeter high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexSpot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexSpot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexSpot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexSpot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexSpot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexSpot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexSpot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
We designed Tri-Light for all drivers. It's something that can do them a favor. Something that can also make them safer. Introducing Tri-Light, the 7-in-1 car partner.
Hi Kickstarter. Does your room look like this? Clothes thrown everywhere and scattered all over the bed. You know what? Your clothes get wrinkled. Sometimes you'll have things dropping out of the pockets, or even have trouble finding where your clothes are. This is not because you are lazy. I designed this hanger to find a way to organize pants in an easier and smarter way. And after several tests, I finally created this hurdle hanger. It's made of high-quality plastic with a non-slip rubber arm. It's simple to use. Just hook your clothes on both sides of the hanger, or fold your pants over the open end. This way, you can neatly hang more clothes and add additional space under your clothes. How to use hurdle hanger. Hook your pants. Fold your pants. Knitwear on the arm. Save your slacks from forming extra wrinkles. Place tomorrow's clothes on the front hook. Hurdle hanger.